Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on Washington Mutual Incorporated, ticker symbol WAMUQ. So keep that in mind. This does have the Q on it, but it's a good trading one. This one has quite a few swings, and after today's move on above average volume, I wanted to get this one back up here so people can kind of get an idea of what's going on. I've done this one a few times just because it is a good trading one. It's got nice liquidity with it and so forth. So for you day traders, swing traders out there, I know this one remains popular. And also it's looking like this may be entering into somewhat of an uptrend here. Still work to be done, but I'm going to go over a few different at a time intervals, and that way we can get a few different viewpoints on the chart. So here's the daily, and as you can see, back here in early July, had a nice day, and then pretty much just got knocked back down with what the overall trend was, which was down. Um, but the good news about that is, although it fell back down, it did put in a higher low. It based out here. So once again, what I mean is, as you can see down here was this low, so there's low 1. However, this whole base was up here at low 2, and very clearly low 2 is higher than low 1, which means ultimately that we can draw an uptrend line here. Given this is just about a 1 month type uptrend, however, after that action, the price has now gone into an uptrend, so it's worth watching, and possibly if you're looking for a quick long play, this may be one of those stocks that may present that opportunity. Now the key resistance level right now on this daily chart is the big old psychological 50-day simple moving average, which is this purple line here. Currently it's valued at 0.097. So if you can get above 0.097, or for simplicity's sake, this high over here, which is 10 cents. So I'm actually going to highlight this one out, make it red for resistance. But if you can break above this line here at 10 cents, then that's going to be really good for the chart and show that the bulls are really starting to gain some good strength and momentum. The other kind of pattern to look at is almost like a pennant. Technically, this would be not a bull pennant since we're in a downtrend here, but the psychology here is that we have a flat resistance line up here, but at the same time we're making higher lows. So if you come up here and bounce off this, your ideal situation would be to come down here and bounce off this line. You don't want to fall below it, because that would mean that this short-term uptrend is defeated, and that's just not what you want. So let's hop down here to the 60-minute chart, and this actually does a good job of kind of showing what I was demonstrating. You can see that we've had a nice uptrend here in terms of the hourly chart, and then also here we have this red line that I drew on the daily chart. I guess it could be down a little bit more. There's more accurate. But the interesting point of resistance on the 60-minute is this 200 period simple moving average here, which, as you can see, has provided quite a bit of resistance. If you look back at this location here and then here, knocked down the price, and now it's doing the same thing here. Now today, the last hour, you can see the price did get up here and close above it, so that's an encouraging sign. But these are zones, so it's not that that's a specific price. It can fluctuate a little bit. So yes, you closed above it on nice volume, which should be pointed out, but not out of the woods quite yet. If tomorrow and the rest of the week can maintain above this level, then I'm really liking the chance of getting up here and breaking this 10-cent level, as that will show that there's been some nice strength that's being gained here. And then real quick, just hop down to the 30. Same thing. You can see this uptrend move, and throughout yesterday and today, big move up. Today, actually a nasty move down. However, by the end of the day, I'm not sure if there is some sort of news or something, but the last half hour really had the chart come alive and got a really nice nice candle there. Now to go to the other extreme, let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. With the weekly, you can see the same thing. Little uptrend here, and then you have this 10-cent level. But I wouldn't really recommend using the weekly because remember this does have a Q on it, so it's more of a short-term swing trader, day trader type chart. But I do know some people still use the weekly, so I wanted to at least map this one out. But not much different. If you really get a strong breakthrough 10 cents, then there's a possibility to run up here around 12.5 cents or so, where these next resistance areas are. But like I always say, one step at a time. So let's first just concentrate on getting through the 10-cent area right there. So looking at the daily just once more time, putting in higher lows. Now we're looking to try to break through this 10-cent area, but one more time, need to watch this 200 period simple moving average on the 60-minute chart because it has been knocking down the price. So that wraps up the chart. I would encourage you to look down in the post and look for the free ebook link. If you click on that, it'll direct you to instructions on how to sign up for my newsletter, which then gets you the free ebook. With my newsletter, you get my chart setups and hot picks that I'm looking. We had one about a week and a half ago go up 76%. So we've had some nice winners. Plus, I'll just always write some articles once in a while that aren't made public. The only way to get them are through the subscriber list. So like I said, it's a free newsletter, and you get the free ebook as soon as you sign up. So I'd encourage you to at least check that out. If you do have any other questions on Washington Mutual, shoot me a message, and I will help you out and get you squared away, hopefully. Thanks for listening.